Hey guys, it's KelcieJanay here. If you want to see how I got this sleek low bun, keep watching. Okay, so first you want to start off parting your hair like right by your ear. Just start right here by your ear and go all the way to the other side. I use my fingers right now mainly because my hair is dry, and I washed it the other day and I did not do anything to it. So there's that. And you want to go ahead and put this in a ponytail because you're going to work on the back section first. Alright, first you are going to wet this section up real good because it's going to be easier to work with since it's wet. Don't want to work on dry hair because it makes it easy for your hair to come out, and you don't want your hair to come out. You want to get it as wet as you can, like almost like you just got out the shower. I'm trying to work on my faces too, because my last video I was making some ugly faces, y'all. Oh my gosh, I was so ashamed when I shared it, and I was like, oh, I really don't even want to share this video because I'm looking real ugly. All right. And so what I use is, I use the coconut curling cream by Cantu, and I'm almost out. Like I said, I'm almost out of everything. I gotta re-up since I'm trying to get it together. Anyways, you just want to saturate your hair with this because it is going to make it easier for your hair, or for you to be able to brush through it. Now you got all of that in your hair. Now you want to go ahead and start brushing it downwards to make that ponytail. Alright, now that we got it good and brushed, we are going to go ahead and add Eco Styler. I'm using the green jar. So, but you can really use any kind. And this is going to make the ponytail real sleek. And I only used a little bit of that. You can always use more. I'm going to use more at the top because that's the part you really want to focus on when it comes to the sleekness, because that's the part that's going to be showing. You're going to get a scrunchie and pull it back and focus on the top part now. So with the top part, we are going to be splitting it. I look like Don King. We're gonna be splitting the top part in to a middle part. Alright, so once we get that middle part fairly straight, it's not all the way straight, but it's good enough. We're gonna take one side, put it in a ponytail, and focus on this other side. And so with this sleek bun, or sleek low bun, I'm doing a middle part. You can always do a side part, but I'm trying to cover these edges. So yeah, but it's up to you if you want to do a side part or a middle part. I'm gonna go ahead and wet this up real good like we did that back section. Coconut curling cream again. Alright, so once you got this side detangled, we are going to just finger section this part off just to make it a little bit easier to work with. Go ahead and get that Eco Styling gel. Jacob, ain't nobody talking to you, son. So we are going to brush this back. And once you get this part brushed back, you are going to meet this part that you just detangled with that back part. And so with this top part, you want to do the same. It's already detangled, some more Eco Styler, and you want to put a good amount because this is where your waves gonna show up. So I like to just smooth it, almost like the praying hands method a little bit, but all right, go ahead and take this back part out. Attach. I say attach, but I'm pretty sure it's another word for this, but I'm saying attach. Go ahead and smooth it out. So once you get this part good and smooth, now you want to work on this side. You want to make sure that it is good and sleek and that them waves gonna come through. And so usually whenever I'm like finishing up, I use this brush. It's a goodie brush, and I've literally had this since I was like 2. I don't know how I kept up with it for all these years, but I'm sure they still sell some type of goodie brush at hair stores or at Walmart. And it's one of those real hard brushes that'll catch everything and hurt your head if you're tender-headed. Whew. Okay, now once we get that all slicked down, now we're just going to connect the whole head, or all of the hair. We got that done. It's time to work on these edges. So I'm gonna get my edge brush. I got this from the hair store here, and I'm sure they sell it at any hair store. So I'm just using some of that Eco Styler, and I am putting it on my edges, on my long sideburns, and I'm just gonna slick my edges real quick. But I usually just do my sideburns like this. Alright you guys, and there you have it, a sleek low bun. And of course you want to make sure you wrap this up real good, because you don't want to just go out. It may start frizzing up. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Make sure you comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks guys.